If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. You can easily transfer money between accounts within QuickBooks by using the Transfer Funds Between Accounts window. You can access this window by selecting Banking, Transfer Funds from the menu bar. In this window, enter the date of the funds transfer into the Date field. Next, select the bank account to transfer funds from by using the Transfer Funds From drop-down. Then select the name of the account to transfer the funds into by using the Transfer Funds To drop-down. Enter the amount of the transfer into the Transfer Amount field. When you are ready to save the transaction, click the Save and Close button to record the funds transfer and close the window. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.